Alright, today we got the elastic straps all sewn up for the brackets. So we have a whole bunch of these, a lot of them. I do a lot of builds, so this is going to help me out for the other builds. So what we're going to work on today is going to be connecting the back torso to the front torso. So with all the straps in, now it's one piece. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 brackets, 6 elastic. So we've already glued in the back of the elastic here, and we've already put in the snaps here for the butt plate. In the front, we've already put in the straps for the front, just 3 of them, taller ones in the chest, smaller ones on the ab. We've also put in the split rivet with the elastic, and we also put in the 2 snaps for the belt. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and move the camera. Bring it over. Can you see me right there? Alright, so we're going to connect these 2 pieces, the elastic to the front and back, and then we're going to make 2 pieces to connect the sides, because he's too big, so we have to make. Alright, so before we actually put it onto the person, these pieces stick down just a little bit, so I just curve them in just slightly, just a little bit at a time. You don't want to snap them. So I curve them in, so that way, once you put it on, there's very little gap right here in the chest. So I curve that in a little bit. Same thing with the back plate. I curve it in just a little bit, because as you can tell, there's quite a bit of a curve. So we don't want a lot of gap right there. We want to try to get as close as we can to the back. And then right here in the butt plate, I'm going to curve this in just a little bit. Now you can heat it up, or you can do like I'm doing, do it very slowly. You don't want to crack it or break it. This armor is actually very resilient, so you can move it like that without heating it up. Alright, so go ahead and come on over here, Dan. You're going to put it in the front first. Go and turn it around. We're going to put it in the front, and we're going to put the back up. You're going to make sure it's in the cod area. And you're going to get your tape. Put it up underneath. So we're going to get our tape and tape the shoulder straps down. So if you look here, there's no gap here and there's no gap here. Go ahead and turn around. Keep turning, keep turning. So now I gotta do this one just a little bit more. So there we go. Now, let's see. Put your hand up. Get some tape for the sides. Go ahead and turn to the side. So now, I'm going to put some tape, bring these 2 together. I'm trying to make both sides as even as possible. We want to get these to line up. Go ahead and turn. Make them both as even as possible. What happened?
Is that hook supposed to go under?
Yeah.
It's kind of.
All right, let's see. So now I get the tape measure, and I'm going to measure how wide it is. So from here side, there's a little under 3. Okay. So we can go in just a little bit on this side. Just go looser on this side, tighter on the other. So both sides aren't adding up. So I'm going to make it just a little bit looser on this side. And make the other side just a little bit tighter. So we're trying to make this fit as tight as we can without actually cutting off circulation. We don't want to. It's got to fit like a glove, but not real tight. So we got them both at 3 now. So now what we need is a 3-inch plate that will fill in that gap. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut a plate and we're going to glue it in on the inside. We're going to leave, we're not going to put we could do 2. We could do half one here, but then that will leave 3 areas that have a line. 1 here, 1 here, 1 down the middle. We could just put 1 in, and that way we'd have the 1 here and the 1 here. And if you wanted to, you could put some ABS paste and fill in that gap, sand it down a little bit, and maybe paint it, and make it a flush. So you only have the one area. All right, so now we got to turn to face the camera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line with a pencil on the elastic, the top and bottom, and then I'm going to make in the middle where this seam is, I'm going to make a dot so that we can burn the hole for the, when you put the shoulder bell in, you have a snap put in the top where the hole I just put, and then you're going to put the snap in right there. So do the same thing on the other side, make a line where the top of the armor comes up and meets the elastic. I'm just going to make a line, and then I'm going to put it right in the center, another dot to make the hole for the snap. All right, now we're going to take it off and we're going to make the side piece. Go ahead and hold the front. We're going to make the 2 side pieces, and then we're going to glue them in. The glue we're going to use is we're going to use Zappa Gap. We don't have the kicker. Well, we don't really need the kicker. So go ahead and grab that one.